I talked before about via and pad. We see a lot of designs where people don't fill that via. If the via is in the pad, it's got to be filled, and it must be plated over and planarized. Sometimes that's done properly. Sometimes it's not. There's a little dimple there.
Yep.
If there's a dimple in that pad, and I place a BGA ball on top of that, gas is going to get trapped underneath the solder paste that I apply, and there'll be a little air in that dimple. And heated gas expands. It expands ferociously. It doesn't want to stay where it is, and it'll blow all the solder right out of the pad at reflow time.